You searched how to buy shares of Exor NV. Exor is a diversified holding company with interests in automotive, industrial, and reinsurance businesses, and it trades on Euronext under the ticker EXO.NV. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy Exor NV, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to be able to place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EXO.NV to locate the listing. Select the result that explicitly shows Exor NV on Euronext to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company overview, sector information, and the price chart to familiarize yourself with the listing. Confirm the page displays the Euronext exchange and the Exor NV ticker before proceeding. To place a trade, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it from there. The link to the platform used in this walkthrough is in the description if you want to review it.